It's great to see such a diverse group of business owners gather together to connect, collaborate, and to seek support with each other. Let me quickly share with you what BNI is all about and how it can benefit you and your business in Vietnam. Again, BNI, or Business Network International, is the world's largest business networking organization. We are present in over 80 countries and have over 10,000 chapters worldwide. You want to talk about it? But more importantly, BNI isn't just about business networking. It's about building long-term trusted relationship that leads to referral and business growth. Through this trusted relationship, you turn your partners around us into friends and, importantly, into family. The primary goal and objective of BNI are simple. We aim to help you grow your business by creating a consistent source of referral. Ganoon lang po siya kasimple. Magpapasahan lang po tayo ng negosyo dito. We give business referrals to each other. We do regular meetings, and this is every Wednesday via online, and some do it face-to-face. We foster an environment where members help each other succeed. Each of us is a part of a global network of professionals. As you can see kanina, we had participants coming from our international partners that understands the value of collaboration and diverse aim. The more you give, the more you receive in return. So our chapter has been established amidst pandemic, not knowing what lies ahead of us, and not knowing what we can do during the time with this community. We were able to thrive with one another. With the years that we have been together, here are a few key benefits that makes BNI truly unique. Number one, large marketing team. When you are part of BNI, you're not just gaining a business network. You're gaining a whole marketing team. Each member actively works to help grow your business by referring to their own networks. Your business essentially gets promoted by dozens of people, making you more visible and connecting you to opportunities you might never have encountered otherwise. So I just want to share my testimony. So just like myself, I'm into the real estate segment, where we cater to all developers and investors that wants to liquidate their property. So I was recently referred to a business owner that is based in UK. They didn't have any ideas on how to operate here in the Philippines. Thus, where my service entered. We got them an office space and proceeded to assist them with legal services here. A business that might not happen if not for the network that our member has. So it's number two, exclusive marketing rights. This is one of my favorites. One of the strongest benefits of BNI is that each member in the chapter represents only one profession. This means that when you are part of BNI, you have an exclusive rights to market your business. Nandito po ang mabuti kong asawa, lagi ko nga sinasabi sa kanya, pag nasa BNI ka, ikaw lang. Number three, continuous source of business. The structure of BNI creates a steady flow of referrals, ensuring that you constantly have new business opportunities coming your way. It's not a one-time interaction, it's a consistent, ongoing source of potential clients, customer. There are many testimonies here in BNI, and a couple of our members made it, where they started small, looking for support, and as soon as they become part of any BNI chapter, they gathered the connections, increasing the business through referrals. Thus, endpoint, they were able to scale their business fast. From one-man shop to multiple locations, and some nagiging magkasosyo pa nga po sila. Number four, supportive and supported community. BNI is not just about business. It's about building a community of like-minded professionals who support and uplift each other. We believe in collaborations over competitions, and everyone is here to help one another succeed. Kami po ng aking members, this has been our safe haven for us. As we all know, hindi lang po puro positive ang negosyo. There are downtimes as well. With the community of BNI, we serve not only as the fuel of your business or our business financially, but emotionally as well. So again, we grow together financially and emotionally. Lastly, business and leadership skills. In addition to providing referrals, BNI offers opportunity to develop your leadership skills, whether it's through leading meetings, mentoring new members, or presenting your business to other BNI. BNI provides a platform to you to sharpen your business senses and grow as a leader as well. So, now that you have a glimpse of what BNI can offer, I'd like to transition into the real example. So, we're going to show you how we do it on our chapter, or how we do it on our meeting. This is on a weekly. We do this so that we can intentionally help each other by giving referrals that they need. So we'll be doing our 30-second presentations. Members, be ready, as this is your chance to introduce yourself and share what your business is, what it does, and what is your referral as for the week. So without further ado, let's begin our 30-second, and I'll start. Again, my name is John Dexter Canedo, and I'm one of the partners and sales managers of Earth Housing. I cater to real estate, residential, commercial, and even industrial property. This week, please connect me to BPOs that wants to expand their network in BGC or Makati. Thank you.